Welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to solve this problem. So we have this right triangle. The angle here is 90 degrees and we are going to calculate the area, the red area here. Okay, just the red area. So the things we have here is that our triangle ABC is a right triangle, so the degree here is 90. The radius here, this is radius, BO is radius, and it's equal to 5. And the other assumption that we have is DC and OC, they're not floating numbers, they belong to Z. This is so important. This will help us later. So DC and OC, they're both belong to R. So let's see what we can do. The first thing is that if I draw a line from O to D, and this is straight line, so this angle is 90 degrees. This is also the radius, right? This is from O to D. Here it's also 90 degrees. Let me remove this line. And because this is also radius, it's equal to 5. We call it R equal to 5. This is the radius. So interesting thing is, because this is 90 degrees, so this triangle DCO, this is a right triangle. And if I call this Y and X, now we have this. Y2 equal to X2 plus R2, which is 25. And I can modify it this way. So Y2, if I move X to the left, Y2 minus X2 equal to 25. And that means Y minus X, if I expand it, Y plus X equal to 25. So Y2 minus X2, I can expand it this way. Y minus X, Y plus X equal to 25. Now, because DC, which is our X, and OC, which is our Y, because they belong to Z, this also belong to Z, this also belong to Z. So Y minus X belong to Z, Y plus X belong to Z. So what are these numbers? What is X minus Y minus X and Y plus X? What are the possibilities here? Either, so we have two options. It's either 5 multiplied by 5, so Y minus X is 5, Y plus X is 5, because they belong to Z. Or it's 1 multiplied by 25. So it's either 5 multiplied by 5 or 1 multiplied by 25. Let's see if Y minus X equal to 5 and Y plus X equal to 5. So if we sum these two, we have 2Y equal to 10, and that means Y equal to 5. And if Y is equal to 5, so this is 5 minus X equal to 5, X is 0. In this case, which is not possible. X is not 0. We have a length here, okay? So this is not the case. So let me remove this. Now the second option, so this is not the case. And the second option is we have 1 and 25. So let's say Y minus X equal to 1, Y plus X equal to 25. Let's sum this. So 2Y X, we don't have X, if we sum them, equal to 26. And that means Y is equal to 13. Okay, so let's add it here. Y is equal to 13. If Y is equal to 13, so we have, based on this, we have 13 minus X equal to 1. And that means X is equal to 12. Okay, so X is equal to 12. So now we have Y and we have X. Let's see how we can calculate AB. We need this because eventually we need to calculate the area of the triangle, the entire triangle, and we need to remove the area here, and that means the area, the red area, the area of this red area. To do this, to calculate AB, we know that the triangle ABC is similar to DOC. Why? Just think about it for a second. ABC is similar to ODC. Why? Because C, angle C, is common in both triangles, and we have this degree, 90 degree, here in B and D. So O here is equal to A. And this is the reason we call that ABC is similar to ODC. Okay? And for that reason, we know that AB here, which is similar to OD in the other triangle, OD, equal to BC in the big triangle equal to DC divided by DC. These two triangles are similar, so AB over OD, AB over OD is equal to this big one, BC over DC. Okay, so if I put the numbers there, we have AB over OD, which is 5, equal to BC, so 13 plus 5, which is 18, divided by DC. DC is 12. So here we have AB equal to 18 multiplied by 5, 18 multiplied by 5 divided by 12. If I divide this by 6, we have 2 and this 9. So we have 45 over 2. Sorry, this is 3. So we have 15 over 2. Okay, that's the length of AB. So the area of the big triangle is basically AB. It's a right triangle, okay? So 15 over 2 multiplied by the length here, 18. So 5 plus 13 is 18, multiplied by 1 over 2. So half of this, AB multiplied by BC divided by 2. Okay? And this is the area of the triangle, and the area that we have here is pi multiplied by r to the power of 2, 25 divided by 2. Okay? And if you calculate this, eventually, if you calculate everything here, the final result would be 135 minus 25 pi over 2. If you simplify everything here and here. So the area, the red area, the area of that area is 135 minus 25 pi over 2. If you like this video, please subscribe. We're going to see more of these questions, math questions later, and I would appreciate your support. Thank you so much.